Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to unfollow everyone on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. And by the way, in this tutorial, you don't need to install any third party's application. So let's get started. First of all, you want to open your Instagram. Go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Then just go ahead and click on your following. And I'm just gonna show you how to unfollow individually, okay? To do that, just go ahead and click on the following button at the right side of the user's name. And as you can see that the following button is now just a follow button. Okay, so that is how you unfollow a user individually. So if you want to unfollow them all at once, I want you to do is to go back on your profile, click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen, click settings and privacy, and scroll down until you see the help option or section. And now I want you to click is the report problem. Then just go ahead and type the message or report that you want. So for example, good day. Can you please help me to unfollow all of my following here on Instagram, like that. So just go ahead and send that problem or report by clicking the send button at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.